In front of you. Stop. That's as close as you can get. Yeah, go ahead, 17. You guys don't get hit by this, all right? Hey, why don't you guys hit the front? Hey. What's that? Okay.
Medical right now.
All right. Hey, you guys, watch that.
Message received. We're going to follow the airport unit in and go into
hey,
the field.
Hey, you guys. You know what? I want you guys to watch that. Hey, save your wall. Let him take care of the fuselage, so back up.
Just come in and go ahead.
Fire attack. Command, this is fire attack.
We've been beside you.
Was that?
Truck 15, we've been beside you.
You guys, it looks like anything's happening. You do, okay?
You can let them know we're
here. Can you do me a favor?
The door on the
Okay, copy. You have a hose leak coming up behind you right now. See.